Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're going to help you decide, hopefully, to change your want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. That's all there is to it. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button. And when you press that bell, what ends up happening, it's called the notification bell, is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video, and you will see in your inbox a picture as well as the title of the video. And if you press on that picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. I use it, I enjoy it, and I want to make sure that you guys know about it as well. Okay, also please, if you're enjoying my content, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I always forget to mention it, so please, a thumbs up helps me supposedly on the YouTube platform. So, all right, today is another little update that I want to share with you guys. I have placed an order, it's probably at least a month ago already, with ULTA to get the Hydrating Camo Concealer, which I was having difficulty finding in the stores. I have owned and enjoyed the regular one, and I just wanted to know what the difference was. If you've watched that video, you knew that I ordered it in light sand, which was the perfect color for me. I really enjoyed it. That's what this one is here. So when the hydrating one came out, I did the same thing. I ordered it in light sand, which is this one here. And as you can see, the colors are completely different. So I wrote to ULTA just to ask them if there was anything that they can help me with in reference to getting a better, closer match, because the color in the Camo regular light sand is nowhere close to the one that was in the hydrating version. So they were really nice, and they sent me, all at no charge, a light peach one. Now the light peach one also was not a match either. So I wrote to them again and I thanked them and didn't expect anything more from them. And the next thing I know, I got an email that they're sending me another one, which they are now working on supposedly some form of chart, that if you're this color in the regular camo, then this is the color you should be in the hydrating, which I think will be great. However, they sent me and said that they're going to send me one in medium peach. So I immediately wrote back and said, wait, don't send me that, because if the light peach didn't work for me, why would the medium peach work for me? And there's no peach in the regular camo. So long story short, they said, no, we checked, and the chart we're working on says that the medium peach will be the best match for the light sand. So today we got a box in the mail that cracks me up every time it comes, because I found out last time all that is in this box is the one item, but it is the coolest box to open. They have the outside label here. It has an area where you take it off, you open it up, and then your packing slip is attached to the box. Then there's another tear here, and it opens up to this fantastic box that says ELF OMG. It always has something different written in here, and the color of the boxes are always different. Then when you open it up from there, it's like I told you in the past, it's like an origami type of packaging, that it opens up like this, and then it opens up again, and then it opens up again, and then there were all these little crinklies inside, and in between all those crinklies was this one little item. I don't know, the packaging seems to be obsessive, but it is a lot of fun to have and to open. So that's what I received, the medium peach, which I knew off the bat just by them saying peach, because there is no peach undertone in here, that it wouldn't match. But we're gonna play, and I'm gonna share with you guys. So what this video is gonna end up being is showing you at least 3 colors that will be available to you in the in the hydrating formula. So without taking what the actually, you know what, maybe I'll do that too. I'm gonna put a little bit of my light sand so you'll see what I'm talking about. So I am enjoying, first of all, the Camo Concealer, hands down. I think is one of the best concealers, be it if you're enjoying your Tarte Shape Tape. This is similar to it, as close as I think it's going to get $6 versus $27. I wear both because I own both, because the Tarte Shape Tape came out way before this. But this, by far, I think is the biggest steal in reference to a concealer that gives you full coverage from the drugstore or from any other brand. I'm totally impressed with this. So the doe foot applicator looks like this. This is the color of the one that I love. So I like it to be a little bit lighter. Okay, so that's where we're starting, and this is what I have enjoyed. I don't find this version to be drying under the eyes. It was just out of curiosity alone to know what the hydrating one would be, and then maybe if I wore them both, I would see a difference, and I really haven't. So I really don't know, which one to recommend to you. I personally like the color that's available in this version, the original version, so that's probably the one that I'm going to stick with. But with that said, I want to show you guys, in case you want hydrating one, of the color choices that are in the lower range, I guess. So this one here was the one that I ordered in light sand. And it seems that in the hydrating versions of all the lights that are available, what's ending up happening is they all seem to have some form of a peach undertone. And just an FYI, on these are full coverage, so they're really, to me, something that you don't put completely all over your face, little dots, and then if you need more, because it really, like you saw, I put a little bit, and that's how thick the formula is. So that is the light sand in the hydrating versus the light sand, and that's what started this whole journey. What's been really nice is the people from e.l.f. have been sending out replacements at no charge. This is only a $6 item, but the pucks alone is just unbelievable. But I thank them for sending me out. I never asked them to. They did this on their own merit, but I really would have preferred if they had a better match, but it is what it is. So this one here was the second one that they sent me after I wrote to them the first time that the light sand and the light sand didn't match. And all I really wanted back from them was the information of what, so before I filmed that video, I'd be able to tell you guys, don't get the light sand, but if you are light sand, choose this. But it hasn't worked out that way, but I do have other options for you if this is of any interest to you. So this one was in light peach. So this is what they thought would be a better match to the light sand. So that's the third one that they thought would be the best match to that first one. Then the final one is the one that I just received, which is in medium peach. And they come in these really great containers and everything. And just so you know, the hydrating one has a white cap versus the original has a black cap. So this is it here. And like I said, it's called the Hydrating Camo Concealer. And this is the one that the girl wrote me back and said, no, we know that this one will be the best match. I said, but this is a medium peach, and you're still sending me something that has peach in it, where I really personally believe that the undertone of my original one doesn't have any peach in it. So if any of these look like they would be a good match for you, I'm gonna just recap. The first one is the Camo Concealer in the original. The next one is the Hydrating in Light Sand. The one right after it is in the Hydrating Light Peach. And the final one is the Medium Peach in the Hydrating as well. So those are your color swatches of your hydratings, all in the light family. So once again, the original one, Light Sand, is nowhere close to these other ones. But if you like peach undertones, those are the colors that I wanted to share with you guys here. So again, I will write back to e.l.f. and we will see what they will do. But all I want to know is I would like to have the chart and see where they're coming up with what they think the best versions are of these concealers. But as I tell you on this channel, I share everything with you guys. So whatever information I get, I want to pass it along, because this is what I look for when I'm on YouTube trying to get some answers to any swatches so that I can helpfully make a better decision. Because a lot of times when you go on the website, the colors are really not easy to choose from, so I wanted to make sure that I shared that with you guys here. All right. Once again, thank you for finding my channel. Thank you for spending time with me on my channel, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.